It looks like all of you have done a great job. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I hope you liked the subtraction game you got to play on ABC yesterday. We're going to do another mini lesson workbook page today so you can see subtraction in a little bit of a different way. I'm going to show you on my screen again what it will look like. All right, here's the workbook page I'll be showing you today. In our last workbook page, it showed you a set of objects and then it told you how many to cross out. This one is going to be a little bit different. It's going to show you how to plug in numbers to make it an equation. So the first thing I need to do, I'm going to look at box A. Here's box A. And I need to count all of the birds, not just some of them, but all of them. I'm going to use my cursor today to show you a little bit easier how I counted them. Let's count them together. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write a 7 in the box. And now I need to figure out how many birds or how many objects went away. Here, how many flew away? If you said 2, you did a great job. There, 2 birds flew away. There's one last thing I need to figure out. How many birds are left? Let's count them. You can count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will I write in the last box? Show me with your fingers. If you said 5, you did a fantastic job. When I read that equation, it sounds like 7 minus 2 equals 5. I see ladybugs in box B. Now I want you to think for a minute, what do I need to do first? Count some of them or count all of them? If you said count all of them, tap your brain. You are right. I'm going to count all the ladybugs. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Think for a minute. How do you write a 10? A 1 and a 0. Okay, now I need to figure out how many ladybugs flew away. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write 3 in the next box. Now here's my question. What is 10 take away 3 or minus 3? I'm going to count all the ladybugs that are left on the leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ladybugs left. And if I'm reading that as an equation, it sounds like 10 minus 3 equals 7. All right, let's jump to box C. What kind of animals do you see? What are they? I agree, they are frogs. Let's count all of the frogs all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7, I'm going to write 7 in the box. I need to figure out how many frogs went away. I only see one frog. I'm going to write a 1. One frog went away. Now I need to figure out how many frogs are left. I'm going to count all the ones that are still sitting on the log. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What should I write in the last box? A 6. All right, let's read the equation. You can read it with me. My cursor is under the 7. Let's start with 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Great job. I see some chickens. How many chickens are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4 because that's how many objects I'm starting with. Look at how many went away. Show me with your fingers how many went away. 1, 2. 2 went away. What should I write? I'm going to write a 2. Now I see how many chickens are left. 1, 2. I'm going to write another 2. And when I read the equation, I might use my fingers this time to kind of help show me the equation. 4 minus 2, I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2 equals 2. 2 are left. All right, I see some bumblebees. Some are standing by the hive and some flew away. The first thing I'm going to do is count all the bumblebees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to start with 5 bumblebees. I'm going to write 5 in the box. Now, how many flew away? 2. 2 flew away. All right, I start with 5 and 1, 2 went away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Let's count the bumblebees that are left. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write 3, and that makes my equation sound like 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, last box F. I see some ants. Some ants are on a delicious piece of cake. Let's count all of them together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm starting with 8 ants. I'm going to write 8 in the box. How many ants left the piece of cake? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write 3 in the box. Now, if I'm doing it on my fingers, here's my 8. And look, I can just put my other hand away. That was 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check by counting the ants together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ants are left. Let's read the equation together. You can read it with me. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Great job with subtraction today. Tomorrow, I will post another game that you can play to do some more subtraction practice. Just like we did the other day too after the mini lesson, you can also practice doing some subtraction with items in your house. You can use toys or Legos or markers or crayons or pencils, any little things you have, you can do some subtraction with someone in your family and show them what you've learned. Great job today.